So I haven't made a video in like a week because I've been so busy with everything else, trying to keep my life put back together after I got scammed by that fake job. And I wanted to call out, I got asked about this, so I wanted to call out that I use Log-Seq as a second brain because I think it's going to be useful to you guys. Uh, a lot of people say to use paid alternatives. You can list those yourself. I'm not going to advertise them here. But if you look into this, you'll find that it supports the ability for you to automatically save and have it sync to a remote repository in Git. This has been a lifesaver. Get yourself a GitHub account, set this up, set it up to use a repo that you create for yourself as your brain or your main repository, and just start using it casually. Start throwing your ideas out. Use the journaling plugin. I have to say that this has actually really helped me in the last week or so. Uh, at night, after a long day of a lot of stress, just journaling. Now, some of you might be saying, "Oh, look, Dwayne just discovered cognitive behavioral therapy," because that's what a lot of journaling is. But honestly, I think every developer should do this, no matter how much trauma you think you may or may not have. It is critical that you do a brain dump, and not just through an Eisenhower matrix or something that allows you to be productive. You need to unload all that stress and those thoughts at the end of the day and just get it out of your head so it doesn't live rent free. My recommendation is to use an open source tool like this, LOGSEG, or SEQ, sorry, and just put yourself together a nice little secondary brain because everybody's a knowledge worker. Now, this looks pretty professional and this was a really well done website, but this is an actual open source project and I use it. I think you should too. I'm not a fan of things like uh, the paid alternatives. I don't like the fact that they do what they do with your data, and so you should definitely use this instead. Please consider using this. Install it. Install the daily journaling plugin. Add the extra plugins that meet your fancy. Play with it. And if you don't like it, oh well, you can just delete it. But my recommendation is that you keep it around. Throw your ideas into it. Throw your daily thoughts into it. Have some dedicated time during the day where you actively add a daily journaling log to it. And then through doing that, you can link pages and thoughts to their own concepts. And then eventually you're going to get a mind map and a nice little graph that'll throw everything together. Uh, I cannot say how useful this tool is, and it's free and open source, which is why I am very, very happy to promote it on my channel because I know I'm not going to have to worry about some jerk trying to make money off of it. This is open source. It can be forked. It can be protected from that. So please consider using it today.